How to download Canva on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to download Canva in order to edit photos, videos, make thumbnails, etc., what you're gonna do is first of all go to Play Store. Then over here you can see search. Tap on it. Then in the top of the page you can see search apps. Tap on it and search Canva. After that, over here you can see Canva, AI photo and video editor. Now tap on install, and you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection in order to make your downloading fast and smooth. After it's completed, the app will be downloaded. Now, if you want to learn how to create an account on Canva, make sure you watch our next video where I'll be showing you how you can create an account on Canva. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.